Greetings, discerning viewers. Today, we're taking a look at a particularly intriguing piece of technology. The Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 Portable Smart Laser Projector. This compact device promises a high-quality viewing experience in a variety of settings, from family gatherings in the backyard to cozy movie nights indoors. We'll be unboxing it, exploring its features, and ultimately determining if it lives up to the hype. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. Let's begin with the unboxing. As you can see, the box presents a clean and professional aesthetic, highlighting some key features such as its bright 1000 lumens, full HD 1080p resolution, and integrated Google TV. Inside, we find the projector itself, securely packaged with protective foam. We also have the power adapter, remote control, and the standard documentation, including a quick start guide and warranty information. Now, let's take a closer look at the EpiqVision Mini EF21. The design is sleek and minimalist. Its compact size is immediately noticeable. It's genuinely portable. On the back, we have the standard ports, including HDMI, USB for connecting external devices, and an audio output for connecting to external speakers, should you desire more powerful sound. The remote control is intuitive and well-designed. It includes dedicated buttons for navigating the Google TV interface, accessing Netflix, and adjusting volume and picture settings. Now for the crucial part, setting it up and evaluating the picture quality. The EF21 boasts a laser light source, which promises excellent brightness and color accuracy. It also utilizes Epson's 3-chip 3 LCD technology, known for its vibrant and lifelike images. As you can see, the 1000 lumens of brightness are surprisingly effective, even with some ambient light present. The full HD 1080p resolution provides a sharp and detailed image. The integrated keystone correction is also a valuable feature, allowing for easy adjustment and ensuring a perfectly rectangular image, even when the projector isn't perfectly aligned. The automatic focus feature is a definite plus, making setup a breeze. The integrated Google TV is a significant selling point. It provides access to a vast library of streaming services, including Netflix, YouTube, and countless others. Navigating the interface is smooth and responsive. The integrated stereo speakers are surprisingly decent for a portable projector. While they won't replace a dedicated sound system, they are perfectly adequate for casual viewing. In conclusion, the Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 is an impressive portable projector that delivers on its promises. Its bright laser light source, full HD resolution, and integrated Google TV make it a versatile and convenient option for a variety of applications. Overall, I give the Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 a solid recommendation. If you're looking for a high-quality, portable, and user-friendly projector for home entertainment, outdoor movie nights, or presentations on the go, this is definitely one to consider. Section 12. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. You can find a link to purchase the Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 on Amazon in the description below. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments in the section below. Until next time, happy viewing.